Hello everyone, welcome to Bright's Food Corner. Blueberries are perfect when it is baked. So today I'm going to share you a soft, moist and fluffy muffin recipe using these blueberries. Generally, blueberries are a rich source of vitamins, minerals and fibers. They also contain a plenty of antioxidants in it. With a lot of health benefits in these blueberries, I'm happy to share you how to make it interesting by baking blueberry muffins in 3 different ways using the same batter. Before getting into the video, follow us on Facebook and Instagram by clicking the link in the description box. And also, if you have not yet subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe with the bell icon to stay connected. Follow the exact measurements given in the description box to get the perfect, moist and fluffy blueberry muffin. Let's get started. Take a wide-mouthed mixing bowl and add 2 large eggs into it. Now beat the egg continuously by using a fork or a whisk. It makes the air to get inside the egg and makes the muffin fluffy. Now I have taken 1 cup of fresh milk and added 1 tablespoon of lemon and I allowed it for about 5 minutes so that the citric acid in it reacts with the milk and curdles it. You can also add fresh milk in spite of this, but by adding lemon juice and curdling it, it enhances the taste of the muffin. Now add 1 cup of oil to the bowl. This oil makes the muffin super moist. Now make sure that all the 3 ingredients get mixed completely. Here I have taken 2 types of sugar. First I am going to add 1 cup of light brown sugar, or you can also add any refined white sugar. Give it a gentle whisk so that the sugar dissolves into the wet ingredients. Now I am adding 1/4 cup of dark brown sugar or cane sugar. This brown sugar brings the nice texture to the muffins. Once when the sugar dissolves, now add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence and a pinch of salt to the bowl. Always add the salt to the wet ingredients so that the salt dissolves and it is evenly spread to the mixture. Give it a nice whisk so that all the ingredients get mixed up and forms a fluffy muffin batter. Now add 1 cup of flour and 2 tablespoons of baking powder and sieve it to the wet ingredients. Gently mix the flour to the wet ingredients by cut and fold method. Do not overmix the batter. Add the remaining flour by sieving it. Make sure that there is no lumps in the batter. Now add 275 grams of fresh blueberries into the batter. Give it a quick mix and keep it aside. Now it's time for baking. Take the muffin mold and line it with the cupcake molds. To your perfect evenly baked muffin, the batter must be of equal proportion. So take 1/4 cup measurement of the batter and fill it in the muffin molds. Also make sure that you fill only the 3/4 portion of the mold. This is to make sure that the batter doesn't overflow when it rises up while baking. Now I'm going to show you the first way of baking this blueberry muffin by giving it a simple butter touch. Take a separate bowl and add 50 grams of butter. Here the butter should be kept in room temperature so that the butter is very soft in touch. Now beat or whisk the butter and add 1 or 2 tablespoons of sugar crystals. Give it a quick whisk and gently drop the butter mixture on the top of the batter. Now place the mold in the preheated oven for about 15 to 17 minutes in 200 degrees Celsius. Here, the butter melts and leaves out the sugar crystals roasted on the top of the muffin. Make sure that you always place the muffin mold in the middle rack of the oven. Now transfer the muffins to your wire rack and allow them to cool. For the second way of baking, add the remaining blueberries into your bowl and smash it to a coarse paste, or just put it in a blender and blend it to your coarse paste. Once again, line the muffin tray with a cupcake mold and fill 1/4 portion of the mold with batter. Now, add 1 teaspoon of smashed blueberries right in the center and again cover it up with 1/4 portion of the batter. Bake the muffins in the preheated oven for about 15 to 17 minutes in 200 degrees Celsius. Once it is done, remove it from the oven and transfer it to a wire rack and allow it to cool. Now, for the third way of baking, add the batter to the muffin tray and pour the smashed blueberries on the top of the batter. Here you can see, while baking, the blueberries on the top gets cooked and melts down along the sides of the muffin. This makes the muffin to look beautiful with the purple color on the top. Always remember, for a perfect crown on the muffin, the most important step is to place it in a particular place where the heat is spread evenly. I always make sure that I place the muffin tray in the middle rack of the oven so that the heat spreads evenly and makes all the muffins to have a raised crown in the center. Also, keep in mind that equal measures of the batter makes the muffin to get baked evenly. See the soft, moist, fluffy muffin with the contrasting purple colored berries inside. Yes, it definitely melts you down. Try out this recipe and share your feedbacks in the comments below. If you like this muffin recipe, then don't forget to give a thumbs up and share it with your friends. See you again with another interesting recipe. Thank you for watching. Guten Appetit!